Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone won't turn on issue in Samsung Galaxy A54. If you're using Galaxy A54 and you're facing the issue that your phone is not turning on, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, if your phone is not turning on, so you might see a black screen here or your phone will go stuck on a black screen. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, let me power my phone off here, or I'm gonna power off from this section and power off. Now I want to see that this side black screen. And whenever you try to power on your phone, it won't power on because sometimes it might be a software glitch or a technical issue, or sometimes it might be that there's any issue with your charging or with your battery. So I recommend you have to make a forced restart while your phone is on charging. So let me show you how you can do this. You just have to insert your charger and your phone. Once your phone is on charging, you just have to make a force restart by using these side buttons. Now for this, you just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds. Let's try this. You just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button. Just press and hold it when you see the Samsung logo. If your phone has been stuck on a black screen, like you might feel that your phone is turning on but it won't turn on, you can also try the same thing I have done. You just have to make a full restart. Like I'm gonna full restart my phone from here. The press and hold the volume down and power button, and your phone will be forcefully restarted. You might get a black screen, and then you will see the Samsung logo. You can see my screen goes completely black. My phone will not turn on. Now you will see the Samsung logo again. So it will make a force restart your phone is any condition, like if you are stuck on any app, stuck on a black screen, if your phone is turning on but you do this step, your phone will be forcibly restarted. Now it will now I can try the same thing on this screen, and also when my phone turn on, it will make a force restart, and this method will work for you if your phone is not turning on. But I recommend if your phone is not turning on, so you can try this same thing while your phone is on charging, because sometimes it might be that your phone haven't enough battery charge. So you can try this same thing when your phone is on charging. So you may not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.